guys, it's Haley. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are not new, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a 2017 music favorites video. I just really like watching these videos myself, so I thought that I'd put one up for you guys, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. I actually already filmed this entire intro, but I accidentally deleted part of the intro, like the introduction and everything like that, so that's why I just refilmed that. And if it looks different to the next clip you're gonna see, I apologize. You know, the lighting, the framing might be off a little bit, but you know, sometimes that just happens. So these songs aren't necessarily songs that came out in 2017, they're just all my favorites that I listened to in 2017. So they could be super old or they could be super new. Yeah, so if you want to keep watching and find out what my favorite songs were in 2017, if you want to know what my favorite songs were in 2017, then just keep watching. Also, if I look down in this general area, it's because I'm looking at my computer, because that's where I have my little playlist I put together for this video. So I'll just be playing them.
I'll be sitting here with a song that I wrote, saying love could change the world in a moment, but what do I know? Oh my, you just took me by surprise, and I can't believe my eyes. Oh, I must be seeing right. And
Need to Breathe, my ultimate favorite band.
Yeah, isn't it amazing how a man can find himself alone? Making me upset, scrolling through my daily feed on the internet. How do we do that? Lock our doors and we will stand in awe of the one who breaks the
chains. This song actually came out like only a couple weeks ago, but I'm gonna include it because I love it.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. While I'm off chasing my own dreams, sailing around the world. Please know that I'm yours to keep, my beautiful girl. To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but to know that I'm good as long as you're here with me. I like me better when I'm with you. And that's why I sing your praise, girl. Ever be on my lips, ever be on my lips. Your praise, girl. Ever be on my lips. I'm falling. Just stop you crying, it's a sign of the times. Since I wish you farewell, I hope you're somewhere praying. I hope your soul is changing. Sometimes in the middle of the night, I can feel you again. And I just miss you, and I just wish you were a better man. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, all the rebels just for kicks. I'ma give a little to the kids in the middle. Oh, tears now, but I feel it still. On an ocean of hallucination, I'll be sailing away out in the sun. Daybreak, live in the sun. Daybreak, it will come around, but everything is now. I know everything is right now. as you speak. 100 billion galaxies are born. Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. That's my fault.
My battery's gonna die. So that is this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked some of the music that I played for you guys. Some of the songs on there I don't really listen to now just because I've listened to them for, you know, so long, and then I don't really like them as much now. But they were all songs that I really liked during 2017, and some of them on there I have been listening to for like years and years, and they're just some of my favorite songs that will probably be on next year's, and they're just, yeah, like, you know. But I really hope you guys at least liked a few on there, and if you found out about any new artists, definitely let me know in the comments below. And also, if you guys would like to see maybe a vlog once in a while from me, let me know, because I've been kind of interested in seeing if, I don't know, maybe I will start vlogging or something. So yeah, I think that's it for this week's video, and I will see you guys the next time that I post. Peace! I literally almost ate this entire bag while making this video.